Want to know the quickest way to make a decorative envelope flap? Stay tuned for this super fast trick. So to do this, you really only need a few little supplies. You need a pair of scissors. Ones that have a little bit of a longer shank are better. You need an envelope that's going to fit your card, and I'm going to show you our card in just a moment. You need some paper, and the more gorgeous paper you have, the better. And you need some liquid glue. So some of our Tomo adhesive liquid glue. I'm going to show you the card. So this is the card that I made, and I want to show you where this piece comes from. Because normally when we look at some beautiful designer series paper like this, we only look at this side. But this side here, and I was no different than anyone else, when I punched out my shape and used it for layering on my dies, I actually punched it so that I could get some gold. But by the time I put it on here, it was almost a little bit too much gold. So I used the opposite side, which is this paper here. So it's beautiful paper on its own, and you can decide if you want to use the gold side or not. So there's our card. So we want to coordinate our envelope to our card so that our recipient has a little hint about what's coming. So all you have to do, fold out the envelope, and you're going to run a bead of liquid glue all the way around the outside. And you want to get as close to that fold as you can. And just a little bit of glue is enough. It's going to stick there. And then you're going to take your piece and you're going to decide where you want to put it. First of all, decide on the side. I actually am going to use this side because I do want a little bit of that gold. So because my glue, let me show you where it is. My glue is not right up to the fold line. I'm going to take this and I'm going to run it sort of over top of my glue so I get some glue on there. And then I'm going to run it right up to the fold line, holding it in place with my finger here and then getting it in place. Turn that over and you're going to cut it out. And you're using larger scissors here. So place your scissors right against the envelope flap. But why you're using larger scissors is it just gives you a little bit more control and you don't have to make as many cuts really. You're able to cut a little bit further. So we're just going to cut this out. So this is a great way to showcase your card off before it's even out of the envelope. And then you've got a beautiful envelope with some gold on it. That's going to be a perfect match for your card. And that's all there is to it. So please give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, join my email list. You can do that at joe@designwithjoe.ca. Thanks very much. Have a great paper crafting day.